Everyone, this is Cindy at Cricut the Heart, and I'm back with some graduation cards. So I need a couple of cards for a couple of my students who are graduating. So I decided to make some cards. So let's get going with what I used. I used this paper pad, which is from Doodlebug. It's called Back to School. It's a little bit older, 2015. I used my favorite cat scrappiness dies. I love these. I used these dies. I use this Congrats Grad from Honeybee. And then I use Smart Cookies from Lawn Fawn. Okay, so here are my cards. I'm going to start with this one right here. So this card right here uses the dies from the Congrats Grad. And then the graduate here is the stamp. And then here's my circle. And then I just used all the little pieces from that tiny little stamp set for my little cookie and my little diploma. Just colored it in with Copics. Super easy, cute. And then this one, I used the hat to make, on the, just to kind of stamp it and make my own pattern paper on the red. And then I used some more of that paper from Doodlebug, and I stamped the diploma and the well done, which is from Honeybee. And those are my cards. Super easy and cute. I just needed two, so I am going to stamp a sentiment inside and then write a little message to my students. I actually, since I have two girls this year, I actually bought them bracelets this year. They're really cute from, I think it's Annie, I forget the name of it, but anyway, store in the mall and really cute. That's what I got as gifts. Those are my cards. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy at Cricut the Heart.